Teacher, hello Ria. How are you? Why are you so late in class today? Ria, oh, it was painful experience as I got stuck in traffic jam. Teacher, that's really sad. Traffic jam has become a serious problem nowadays for the people of this city. Ria, oh yes, I am also bothered with the traffic jam in this city. Teacher, it is killing our valuable time curiously still nobody knows when we will get realized from the nuisance. Exactly, nobody comes forward to solve the problem. The main cause for this traffic jam is the playing of huge numbers of cars. Teacher, yes, during office hour we find hundreds of cars and buses blocking the road. It is mainly caused when different vehicles want to move ahead, overtaking each other. Ria, right. Huge number of cars or buses in the narrow roads are contributing much to the problem. There are some others cause also. Yes, there are too many cars in proportion to our roads, and roads are not too wide as they should be. Management is also a big factor for this problem. Yes, you are right. The favorable street condition and violence of the traffic rules are contributing much to traffic jam in this city. But how can we get rid of this cause in this city? Teacher, I believe this problem can be solved by proper management of the whole traffic system. Illegal and unlicensed car. Yeah, exactly beside the street should be widened. Flyover at the main crossing should be. The driver should be properly trained and sufficient traffic police should be employed to control the traffic. That's right. The authorities should come forward with all these measures to solve traffic jam. Thank you very much for your valuable suggestion. Goodbye. Most welcome. Bye and see you again.